In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to proofread and edit effectively in Microsoft Word using built-in tools. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Microsoft Word includes a powerful set of proofreading and editing features that can dramatically improve your writing. Most of what you need lives on the Review tab, with the editor also accessible from the Home tab. We'll walk through the core tools, then the collaboration features, and finish with a few essential settings so your checks are accurate. Start with Microsoft Editor, the central hub for modern proofreading. Open it from the Home tab or the Review tab. Editor goes beyond basic spell check, evaluating spelling, grammar, clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusivity, and punctuation conventions. You'll see an overall score and a list of suggestions. Click each suggestion to read the explanation, then choose to accept, ignore, or learn why it was flagged. Use this pass to catch patterns and refine your tone. As you type, Word flags possible issues automatically. Red underlines for spelling and blue or green for grammar. Right-click any underlined word or phrase to see quick fixes, or run a full sequential check from Review, then spelling and grammar. Move through the document issue by issue, and only add words to your dictionary if you're confident they're correct and will recur. For variety and precision, use the Thesaurus. Right-click a word and choose synonyms to find alternatives. Replace carefully so you don't change your meaning or drift from the document's tone. Keep an eye on word count in the bottom left status bar or open it from the Review tab. This gives real-time counts for words, characters, paragraphs, and pages, which is crucial for meeting length requirements. If needed, adjust whether to include text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes. To catch what your eyes miss, turn on Read Aloud from the Review tab. Listening to your text at a steady pace helps reveal awkward phrasing, missing words, and punctuation issues. Follow along and pause to fix problems as you hear them. For collaboration, enable track changes on the Review tab. Word records insertions, deletions, and formatting edits, so your suggestions are clear and reversible. Switch views to see all markup or a cleaner view, and use accept or reject to finalize edits. Add comments by selecting text and choosing new comment to leave notes or questions without altering the content. If you're comparing two versions, use Review, then Compare. Choose the original and revised files, and Word will highlight every difference so nothing slips through. Before you finish, confirm the proofing language in the status bar or via Review, then Language, ensuring the correct dialect. Finally, customize editor settings under File, Options, Proofing to adjust strictness and ignore preferences you don't need. Combine these tools for a thorough, efficient edit every time. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.